before starting work, I want to take a video for an English project first. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amalia Soleha. My student ID number is 63240011 and I'm from the Accounting Study Program at UBSI Pemuda. Here I will give my opinion about smoking in the campus area. In my opinion, there should be a rule that prohibits it. Some of the reasons I support the creation of this rule are: cigarette smoke is harmful to the health of campus residents. Second reason, cigarette can cause pollution and garbage. Third reason, we must participate in reducing the risks of the smoking addiction. Fourth reason, the campus area must be placed that support a healthy lifestyle. Another supporting factor is the condition of the UBSI Pemuda campus building, where each room is designed with air conditioning, so there is no air ventilation. That's it, my opinion about smoking in the campus area. Let's move on to the next part.
Hello, let me introduce myself again. My name is Amalia Soleha. My student ID number is 63240011 and I'm from the Accounting Study Program at UBSI Pemuda. Today, I will present material about question words, and before we start, I will explain what question words are. Question word, or what we later call WH question, are question words used to form questions in English. Does it sound familiar? Yes, WH question are what we usually call 5W plus 1H in Indonesia. They help us obtain the information we need in conversation or writing. Function of question word is used to ask for information to which the other person must give a clear answer. In other words, you cannot answer a question sentence in the form of a WH question using only yes or no. Various question words. If in Indonesian there are 5W1H, then in English there are 8W1H, namely what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. First is what. What is a question word that works to ask something or something related to someone. You can also use the word what to ask for repetition or confirmation of what someone else has said. For example, when what used to ask something, what are you doing? What do you want? What is your name? What do you like? What time is it? An example when what used to ask repetition or confirmation. What? I can hear you. What did you say? Next is where. Where used when you want to know information about the location or place, destination, and position of someone or something. For example, where do you live? Where is my phone? Where should I put this item? Next is why. This question word functions as a reason or cause finder. In this case, the reason can be positive or negative to find out the background of something happening. For example, why are you logging? Why did you come late? Why do you kiss my hand? Next is when. When is an English question word used to ask about the time or period of time in which an event occurs. Its function is to obtain information about a certain time or period in a conversation or situation, and to help us understand the sequence or schedule of an event. For example, when did he leave? When will Dad fix my bicycle? When will the meeting end? Next is which. Is an English question word that helps us choose between several options. Its function is to ask for information about a particular choice from a number of available options to help us in decision making or to identify a specific object or person in a particular situation or context. For example, which do you prefer, sparkling water or mineral water? Which doctor did you see? Of all the drinks on the menu, which one would you like? Next is who. Who is an English question word used to ask about the identity of a person or a group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Who functions to help us identify the relevant person or a subject in a context. For example, who won the game? Who is your favorite actor? Who sing this song? Who is your best friend? Next is whom. Whom is a question word used to ask about the person who is the object in a sentence. Whom help us in determining the relationship between the subject and object in a sentence. For example, whom did she invite to the party? Whom do you trust the most? Whom are you waiting for? Next is whose. Is a question word in English that is used to ask about ownership or who owns a particular object or thing. For example, whose book is this? Whose car is parked outside? Whose idea was it to organize the event? For the last is how. How is an English question word used to ask about the way or process of how an event or action is carried out. Its function is to obtain information about the methods or procedures involved in a situation or activity. For example, how can I access my email from a different device? How do you cook pasta? How did you build this Lego? How do you stay motivated during difficult times? Next is W question formula. There are three types of WH question formulas. The first is WH question formula with auxiliary verb. The formula is WH plus auxiliary verb. It could be to be, do, or have, plus subject, and plus main verb. The second formula, WH question with modal verb. It could be can, could, will, would, shall, should, might, must. The formula is WH plus modal verb plus subject and plus main verb. Third formula is WH question formula without auxiliary or modal verbs. The formula is WH plus main verb. When asking negative WH question, we can use the auxiliary verb do when there is no other auxiliary verb or no modal verb. For example, in positive sentence, who wants an ice cream? And for negative sentence, who doesn't want an ice cream? That's all the material I can present today. Here are references to the material I presented. That's all from me. I apologize if there are any mistakes in pronunciation. Thank you and see you.